You searched how to buy shares of Fuyao Glass Industry Group H, and this short guide will walk you through the practical steps. Fuyao makes automotive and architectural glass. It trades on the HKEX under the ticker 3606 HK. This is educational information and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 3606 HK to find Fuyao Glass. Select the listing that clearly shows Fuyao Glass Industry Group H on the HKEX. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Check the exchange and ticker read HKEX and 3606 HK before proceeding. Tap or click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, the order may queue or execute at the next available session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to view the platform used in this example.